In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro on Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet and go into the meeting where you want to use Miro. You can do this from a scheduled meeting link, your Google Calendar, or by joining directly in your browser. Once you are inside the meeting, take a moment to look at the Meet controls along the bottom and the additional options along the side. The Miro integration is added through Google Meet add-ons, so that is where we will focus. Next, click the area that is highlighted on your screen to open the meeting options. In many Meet layouts, this is an icon or menu area that expands additional tools. After that, select Add-ons. This is the section where Google Meet lets you connect apps that can run alongside your call so everyone can collaborate without leaving the meeting. In the Add-ons panel, click Browse the Marketplace. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for and install supported add-ons. Find Miro in the Marketplace listing. Then click the highlighted area for the Miro add-on so you can open its details page. This page usually includes a short description of what the add-on does, plus the permissions it needs to work inside Meet. Now click Install. Google will begin the install process and may prompt you to choose and confirm the Google account you want to use. Click the highlighted selection to choose the correct account. Then continue through the permission screens. You will see prompts asking you to allow access needed for the add-on to run in Google Meet. Click the highlighted buttons to proceed through each approval screen and review what is being requested as you go. Once permissions are accepted, return to your Google Meet window. You should see a final prompt to finish connecting the add-on. Click Continue to complete the setup. After that, Miro is ready to use as an add-on inside Google Meet, so you can collaborate on a board while staying on the call. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.